Today we are going to do my first Stationery Pal haul. Hey y'all, welcome back to Dots and Beyond. My name is Beth and this is my first order from Stationery Pal. I just have not ordered anything from them yet. I did not order a super amount of things. This is not a super big order. It did take forever to get here. So those of you who watched my Archer and Olive unboxing, you may know that I did not intend to do that boxing. I was going to do my Stationery Pal unboxing. I knew it was going to take a long time to get here, but this little package came to my town and then it left my town and went to another state and then it came back to my town and then it got lost in my town, but it finally made it here. So we are going to do this Stationery Pal unboxing. Now what I have ordered in here were some things that I just thought I would pick up for 2023 that might help me with some setups and things during 2023, because I'm not doing a full no buy. I'm not committing to that, but I kind of do want to limit the amount of stationery and stuff that I purchase. So this was purchased by me. This is not sponsored by Stationery Pal at all, although Stationery Pal, if you are watching, hit me up. I'll love to do some more for you, but we're going to open this up and find out what is in here.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Okay, first up we are going to talk about the freebies. So I do know that this little bear fella comes in all of the Stationery Pal boxes, which I think is just a great signature thing. We also have this cute pin here as well as this one. I am not a pin person, but do you know who is a pin person? Those of you who have met Kenny here on my channel, my son, Kenny is a pin person. In fact, we have a bulletin board in his room that way I gave him recently for him to stick all of his pins on. So yeah, I know where these are gonna go. I will give those to him. The little bear fella is probably, I'm just gonna say it. He is going to fall victim to the Dots and Beyond felines, Faramir and Eowyn. There's just no way I'm gonna keep this little guy away from them. We're gonna stick him over there because he's super cute. And let him stand there next to my Be Fierce cup. Okay, like I said, I do not have a lot of things in this order. I did go ahead and pick up some clean color dot markers. I have a set of dot markers that I got off of Amazon. They are Shuttle Art. They work great, but they didn't have some primary sort of colors like a black, and this has a black. So I thought if I was already ordering off of Stationery Pal, I should just go ahead and pick me up some dot grid markers that have a few colors that maybe are not in the Shuttle Art set that I have. If you are not yet familiar with dot markers, they're a game changer. They just make doing bullet points so much easier. They do have this dot end, and the size of the dot that you get depends on how much pressure you put down on the page, and they just make perfect little circles. It's actually kind of addictive. You can pick them up and make all kinds of crazy patterns with them. Just a big fan of the dot marker when it comes to bullet journaling and just adding that pop of color, even without, you just use black and then just have this little pop of color here. But I did predominantly pick this up because I wanted a black dot marker, and that's why I picked up this set here. I forgot I ordered it. I honestly don't remember anything in this box that I ordered, so I am going to pull my order and link everything down below for you so you can see exactly what it is that I picked up. I will go in and look at that order so that I can link those things for you guys. Next up, I got some of these vintage paper pack sticker things. One of them is called Vintage, one of them is called Paris Diary. They just look super interesting to me, and I think this box was like $1, something like that. So we have all of this ephemera in this box. This one's got these gorgeous florals, and then just all of this little stuff that you can use specifically for collaging sets. I can tell y'all that you're going to see some of this in my February 2023 setup. I did buy a lot of it with that in mind. I knew I wouldn't use it all, but that I could keep it around to use in other things as well. And it's just a really sort of neat collection of stuff. I'm not sure where I'm gonna keep it or how I'm gonna store it. Might have to just leave it all in its box. So again, here are our papers, which have this. Oh, that's great. I love that one. Love these vintage posters. I don't know if anybody else is like me. I really love the vibe of those vintage posters. And of course, you know, Paris fashion. And then here we have all of the little stickers that come in this one. And some of that Paris fashion, some florals. How cute is that cat? Just a lot of different things that I can use for different setups, different purposes. It'll take me a while. I won't go through these two. I mean, I realize they are tiny, tiny boxes, but I will not go through these tiny boxes very fast at all. It'll be things that last me for a long, long time. And so purchasing something for, you know, $2 that gives you this amount of stuff that you can tuck away, keep in your stash, and know that you're going to use it eventually, because something similar that you can use it in is going to roll around. It's one of the things that I like about Stationery palettes. One of the reasons I've been eyeballing it. I've been watching other people's hauls and just going, maybe I'll try that, maybe I'll try that. And that's what this order was just a little dabble into some other things. So let's do washi tape. The first one I got was this basic pattern that I have seen all over, and I did get it in the more monochromatic. Everybody's using these grid patterns, and then I like a monochromatic color palette, and so I did get this washi tape that I'm excited to have. I need to stop buying washi tape because I really don't use it that often, but when I do, I like having it. And then the other washi tape that I picked up was this map one, which I've just been eyeballing for probably 2 years and not bought it yet. Hang on just a second.
One eternity later.
Okay, so there we have got the wrapper off, and it is just this vintage map washi tape. I have globes all over my house. I have been drawn to maps since I was a little girl. Many, many moons ago, when I was about 10 years old, I deeply wanted to be an archaeologist, and I've just been drawn to old maps and ancient places for as long as I can remember. Again, I collect globes. I've wanted this washi tape for a little bit, and so I finally went ahead and said, if I'm going to order from Stationery Pal, this is the one specific washi tape that I wanted to pick up. Okay, y'all, I have no idea what this is. So this is one of those fun things that we're going to say right now. Pause the video, put a comment down below if you think you know what this is. Again, I can't remember what I ordered because it's been so long. I have no idea what is in this. So we're going to unwrap it and I'll be right back. Y'all, we have solved the mystery. I didn't order this. This is a little thank you gift from Stationery Pal to go along with these little guys. It's a little Christmas pin. And so obviously it just says for you and it has the little bear on it. So no wonder that elongated package inside, you know, the other package was confusing to me because I had no idea what was in there. And here we have a little Christmas pin. All right, not super, super exciting, but I did pick up some of these color palette stickers. You can always print your own on just regular copy paper. I mean, this is not hard, it shapes, but it is easier to have it this way. So this is what the palette stickers look like on the back, and just have a couple of those in some rose colors and some lavender and purple, and I just thought they might come in handy. I totally forgot, and it was buried under the bottom, that I had ordered this Postage stamp floral washi tape as well. Okay, here is that floral washi tape, and y'all, the deeper I go into that tiny package, the more I find, because look, here's more washi tape. Although I'm not sure I ordered this.
She was lying. You could tell.
I don't know, I'll have to look. I may or may not have ordered this washi tape. It's definitely in a monochromatic vibe of something that I would have ordered. I don't remember ordering it. That's fine, though. It is, you know, love these moons. These moons are fantastic. Always fan of a coffee washi tape. Another coffee washi tape. Numbers, days of the week, a little bit of some celestial. This is a great set. You know, I probably did order it.
Eureka!
Again, you know, Beth, write down what you order, or pull the order up before you film so that you can remind yourself what you actually ordered. I do remember ordering these though, and again, they're gonna surface in my February setup. I don't know if you guys have any idea where you think I'm going with my February setup. Go ahead and make a guess. Remember that it is going to be based off of a playlist that I have, so you know. But my playlist names not always the most obvious. Okay, what I do remember ordering are stamps, and I've just been using them more often. I'm still not a huge stamp person. I've bought more recently than I think I expected myself to buy. This one has a compass rose on it, and I'm always a fan of a compass rose. I also like the letter versions. We've got the months over here. I don't have any month stamps. some large, large-ish number stamps. I'm not a big fan of the ones that say things like treasures or memories or family, but yeah, I know it just seems a little cheesy to me. Yeah, I like that. That's great. These corner flourishes, I do remember getting these specifically. Every now and then, especially when I'm doing sort of a junk journal style, I definitely go looking for the sort of corner flourish to stamp in, and so I specifically picked those up for that. And then I have these Paris mail stamps, which I just think are super great. I miss the days of writing letters. I'm a terrible pen pal though, so I don't do it now. Every now and then I'll send somebody a letter, but I'm not a great pen pal because I'm not consistent about it. But I just love the whole mail vibe, like actual, cards and letters and mail, because I do come from a generation where that used to be the way that we communicated. When I came back to the States from Kenya, my parents were still in East Africa when I came to the States for university, and we still communicated by letter. One of those things that we did. And speaking of letters, I got this letter ephemera in 2 different styles. I can't remember what the names of these packs are, so again, I will link those for you down below. I got these specifically for that letter vibe. So here we have this beautiful letter and some stickers. I mean, look at this. This is just great. An old airmail envelope. Oh, so fantastic. It is just Plymouth and Sandwich mail stage. Some tags and stickers. Again, this is one of those things that I will not go through quickly. It will definitely come in handy. Ye old tea shop. I mean, does that not just scream that I need to do something with London? Ye old tea shop. I love this. This is great. And like I said, when I buy actual ephemera, not the ephemera that I print myself, but that comes this way and it's already cut and ready to go, it lasts me a long time. It really does. I have to find a place to keep it and store it because I will use it over time, just not all at once. And then this is some of the same. And I think I'm going to reach back into that little package since it continued to be, it was like the bottom of Hermione's purse. It just kept going and going. It's amazing how much they got in there. And yeah, this is much the same, but it's super cute. I love script writing, handwriting, letters. I don't know where home is, but I'm on my way. Love that. And there's 2 of each of these. Cute postcard. I love the colors. I love these muted colors that they have. This little envelope. You're getting too caught up in things that don't matter. I probably am. Let's be real here. I am probably definitely getting too caught up in things that don't matter. It's all part of having bipolar disorder and a brain that likes to do its own thing. More postcards, airmail. I just love these. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to use them all, but I love them. And some of them are going to get used very, very soon, and others will be tucked away for the future. And I'm going to check the never-ending package and see if there's anything else in there at all. Okay, the only other thing down in that little bag was the thank you card from Stationery Pal, which is super, super cute. I do appreciate the effort that they put into packaging things. I know if I had ordered more, it probably would have come in a box, but I wanted to start small. I actually tried to order from Stationery Pal probably a year ago, and that package got lost. So when this one was transiting all over the country and yet not making it to me, I really thought, okay, I'm never going to be able to order from Stationery Pal. At one point it told me the address was incorrect. I'm like, this is the same address that Etsy uses. It's the same address that Amazon uses. It's the same address that my mail comes to. I know this is the correct address, but it did finally get here. And so this is my very mini Stationery Pal haul, and this is to keep me from buying anything else during 2023. Hopefully I won't tap into too much. I do think I have enough stuff to get me through a year of setups, especially since I have simplified what I'm doing in my own personal bullet journal. So if you liked my mini haul, I can realize it's not a whole lot of stuff. It gives you any ideas of something you might want to order from Stationery Pal. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you tomorrow for day 17 of Plymouth.